How to convert all Google Calendar to Apple Calendar. For that, you need to sync your Google email with your Apple. For that, open up your settings, scroll all the way down and click on apps. Scroll all the way down until you find mail and click on mail. From mail, you want to click on mail account at the top. From here, you want to click on add account. From here, you want to click on Google and log in into your Google account. Once you log in into your Google account is going to appear over here at the top where it says Gmail. Click on Gmail. And over here, make sure calendar setting is on over here as well. All right. Once this is on, what you can do is go back and open up your calendars app on your iPhone. Once you open calendars app, what you want to do is click on the calendars icon at the bottom of your screen in the middle. From over here, make sure all of this is unticked. Like this. Just make sure your Gmail is the only one that is ticked. So I just linked my one-step Gmail. That's why I'm ticking it and click on done. And just like this, all of your events of your Google Calendar is going to be synced with your Apple Calendar. That's how you guys can convert all Google Calendar to Apple Calendar. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.